Hello friends, welcome to Baby Fun Zone. Let us learn and have some fun.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn about birds. So, this is a duck.
This is a duck.
This is a goose.
This is a goose.
This is a turkey.
This is a turkey.
This is a hen.
This is a hen.
This is a parrot.
This is a parrot.
This is a peacock.
This is a peacock.
This is an owl.
This is an owl.
This is a crow.
This is a crow.
This is a sparrow.
This is a sparrow.
This is a swan.
This is a swan.
This is a penguin.
This is a penguin.
This is a woodpecker.
This is a woodpecker.
This is a kingfisher.
This is a kingfisher.
This is an ostrich.
This is an ostrich.
This is a crane.
Is a crane.
This is a robin.
This is a robin.
This is a hummingbird.
This is a hummingbird.
This is a toucan.
This is a toucan.
This is a hornbill.
This is a hornbill.
This is an eagle.
This is an eagle.
This is a vulture.
This is a vulture.
So, these are our birds.
Yay!
Keep learning and subscribe to Baby Fun Zone.